welcome to your Power Plate Yoga Essence workout with myself, Caroline Pierce, and Sylvie Patrick providing the modifications. Our exercises are going to be anywhere between 30 and 45 seconds, so set your machine to a 9-minute running clock, and if it stops, hit that repeat or the start button. As always, when you're standing on the machine, we want a slight bend in the knees. We're going to do a mixture of awakening exercises and some flow yoga moves. So let's get started with a child's pose. So I want you kneeling to the side of your platform, arms out in front of you, and sitting back into your heels to stretch out through the arms. Focus on your breath, increasing the range of the stretch, and drifting deeper into the position. Last 5 seconds, and relax. Now kneeling onto the platform now, on all fours, we're going to work between a cat and a cow stretch. Let's start with the cat with an arch back, and into cow. Cat, and cow. With each movement, just see if you can increase the range, push a little bit deeper into that position. Ten seconds to go. And 3, 2, 1, and relax out of that position. And now we're going to go from down dog to up dog. So pushing through your heels, arms straight, chest pressed to the floor. We're going to swoop down into your up dog position, chest to the sky, and back to down dog. Up dog to down dog. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and stand up for me. Stepping onto the plate now, we're going to do a ragdoll. So feet shoulder width apart. I want you to let everything relax. Rag or drop your body down. You're just going to swing your arms from side to side. Let the whole body relax. Soften your knees if you need to. And let's take those arms around in a circle. Switch directions with the arms. Last 5 seconds, let everything go loose. 1, and come up to standing. Now we're going to do a sun salutation sequence. So standing sideways onto your machine, we're going to start with the arms overhead, swoop those arms down, jump back, swoop down, push back into down dog, and jump or step back onto your platform. Reach up to the sky, and dive down, jump or step back, into up dog, push back to down dog, jump or step back onto the machine. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Step off your machine into a downward dog single leg position. So one leg up in the air, and from here we're going to drive that knee forward and back. Forward and back. Really press back into that downward dog at the back phase of the movement. Now for the next repetition, we're going to take the knee to the outside elbow. So extend, drive to that outside elbow. Slow and controlled, really push through that back foot. Okay, now to the inside elbow, across the body, Opposite knee to opposite elbow. 5 seconds. And 1. Switch around. Other leg up, knee drive forward and back into that single leg downward dog. To outside elbow. So same knee to same elbow. Increase the range now as you become warmer. 3, 2, 1. Opposite knee to opposite elbow. So underneath and across the body. Five more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. I want you now to move into your warrior one position. Front foot forward, back foot turned out, arms above the ceiling, reach into the ceiling. Lift the chest, drop down deep into that position. Lift and drive the arms overhead. Take a back extension position, shoulders forward and into humble warrior. See how low you can get that shoulder. 3, 2, 1, and come out of that position. Switch legs now. Warrior one, arms above the head. Hold and sit into that position. Lift the chest. Remember to breathe. Back extension, grip the hands behind you and down into humble warrior. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Into warrior two position. Extend that arm out in front of you, looking along the length of your arm, past your fingertips. Into reverse warrior. Into extended angle pose. And switch sides. Warrior two. Again, looking along the length of the arm, past the fingertips. Reverse warrior. Extended angle pose. Remember to breathe. And step up into dolphin position, forearms on the plate, legs straight behind you, and we're going to alternating lifting legs, starting with our right leg. Lift and switch. Pushing through the heels of the planted foot, extending that leg as high as you can, keeping control. Another 15 seconds. Increase your range. Keep strong through your shoulders. Keep your hips level and facing the floor. And one more. And relax. Up onto your feet now into triangle position. Front foot on the platform, hand flat by your foot. Rotate and lift your outer arm to the ceiling. Remember to breathe and drop deeper into that position. More seconds. And 5, 3, 2, 1, and switch legs. Ten seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Place your hands on the platform and move into a runner's position, switching legs. Bring your chest as close as you can to the platform. Deep breath and exhale as you drop deeper into the position. If you feel comfortable, take your arms a little lower. For another 5 seconds. 2, 1. Extend that leg behind you and into pigeon. Again, bring the arms forward, rest onto the forearms if you can. Modification, stay on your hands. And as you become comfortable, bring your chest closer to the platform. Another 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. And push back. Switch legs back into runner's position. Again, as your flexibility allows, allow your forearms to come closer to the platform. Another 10 seconds. Extend that leg behind you and into pigeon. Again, as you feel comfortable, bring your forearms to the platform and lower your chest, increasing the depth of the stretch. Let your head relax. The last 3, 2, 1, and step back up. Let's move into bridge pose. So put your mat on the floor in front of the platform. Lying on the ground, feet flat. Clasp your hands under your body. Open out the chest and lift the hips to the ceiling. Squeeze the glutes together, lift the hips a little bit farther. The last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Thank you for sharing our practice. Namaste.